Hey guys, this is me Vic, and today this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create an whole authentication for your React Native Expo Go app, and make sure your version is 54 because if your version is not 64, this app might not work for you. So how are you going to make this app? First question. So all you have to do is just go down in the description and click on the GitHub repo and down and clone my repo inside your app. So inside your VS Code, any code editor you're using, clone it. And after cloning, this is how your folder structure should look like. All you have to do is go onto your terminal and just do npm install, so it will install all the modules which you need. I have already done all of this, so it did pretty fast inside my folder. And so pretty much your folder should look like this, and there will be a babel.config.js, and this file is pretty much important. And there should be your app.json, which you see here is version 1.0.0. For there should be same for you guys. And yeah, so pretty much your packet.json will look like this. Expo version should be 54.0.33, and Babel preset Expo should be 54.0.10. If you guys are working on different version, app might not open for you guys, so it's a downside for the React Native. And I also don't know why they do it, but that's it. But here's the solution for you guys. You guys can change the version by installing the packages according to you guys, and that's pretty easy. So inside the src folder there are the two components, with this custom button, and there's a custom input. So these both are for the components for your sign up and login pages. After you redirect from the sign up pages, you get into the dashboard, which I made here inside this. So when you do get logged in, you get to the index.js, which is your dashboard file, and from here you guys can log out. So this is your login.js and signup.js for the form. Now this is all you need, and inside the config file there is a Firebase config.js. Here I'm not going to open you this file for you guys because it has some private data inside it. It's their API keys and yeah, all that. All you need to do is just go to the Firebase and get your API key and just paste inside this file, and you will be pretty much done. So now I'm going to show you guys a live demo of how my app is looking like after I set up authentication in it. So let's see the app. So this is how the website is looking. Sorry, this is how the app is looking, and the continue with Google is not working. So please don't panic. I will show you guys how you can make this thing work in the next video. But before that, let's see how is it working. So now we have to sign up one account. So I'm just gonna do make a ID with this id at the rate let's call it at the rate gmail.com, and let's make it password like abc. Let's make a password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let's sign up. Now it's you can see guys, we are signed up and there's a dashboard. Now we can also log out here, so I'm just gonna log out from this. Now I'm gonna do is log in with the same email that I show you guys. So the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now it's all working, you guys can see. So this is our app. Now I'm going to show you guys authentication user that we signed up. So you can see id at the rate gmail.com, and we are ready here. So we authenticated this data from the login and sign up. So we did it, and So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys having any error, please comment it out. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, hit the subscribe button and like this video. And I will come with another new video soon. So bye guys.